Dear friends, welcome to our channel. Welcome to second session of number system. In previous classes, what we have studied, what we discussed about number system, beautiful introduction, most demanded video. I did it. Now today, in that extension of learning outcomes, we are going to discuss represent of a number line, represent of a rational number on a number line. I am going to explain these two different type of questions with the diagrammatically. Let us see. The first question is represent 5 by 2. It is P by Q form, means rational number on number line, and minus of 1 by 1 of 3 by 8, nothing but mixed fraction, also on number line. First let us see. You should observe 5 by 2 is a improper fraction. Every improper fraction we cannot represent on number line because the numerator is more than denominator, it is improper. So that is the reason this number can be converted into mixed fraction. What are the mixed fraction conditions, friends? 2 of 1 by 2, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. We are getting 1 is mixed fraction. Now this number will be, we have to locate a number line very easy. While we are going to discuss the number line, first we have to know that what is the number, where we have to locate it, either right side of the number line or left side of the number line. This number consists positive side, so that is the reason that number will be located right side of the 0. That means you can draw a line which is extends in both direction endlessly. Point O on a number line represent as a 0. This and take the fixed lengths with using scale. The fixed length is nothing but unit length, means 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1. O, this is O. O to A, what is the length will be there? A to B also same length. B to C also having same length. D to C to D also same length. These are all are having equal lengths. We have to take it by using scale on a number line. This is the third steps of construction of representation of a rational number on a number line. Yes. Now this is the question of you. The number will be located after 2, means between 2 and 3. This question, this number will be located between 2 and 3, which means the 2 and half will be that 2 to 3, that part can be divided into 2 equal parts. This number length will be divided into 2 equal parts here. Yes, this is the first part, this is the second part. Where is the numerator? I divided the denominator value here. These numbers, between these two numbers are divided into 2 equal parts, and the numerator is having one part. At one part only the total number will be located. Where is the one part here? 1 here. First part is the second part. So here the number will be located. Hence this number is called, the representation is called 2 and half. 2 of 1 by 2. 2 of 1 by 2 nothing but 2.5. Yes, the number will be located between 2 to 3. Exactly the middle value is called 2.5. Remember dear friends. First suppose I have to take one different question. 17 by 7. One more improper fraction. What I have to do? Convert it to improper fraction. Simple. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 3 17. I converted into improper fraction into mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction? It will be located after 2. After 2 means the 2 to 3, the 2 to 3 value here for suppose 2, here 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 to between 2 and 3, the total value will be divided into 7 equal parts. In what way we have to do? For example, here total will be 10 millimeters are there. We can go with 1.1, 1.1 like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total you have to divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally I divided this total value between 2 and 3. This number will be located between 2 and 3. Totally I will divide it into 7 parts. What is the numerator here? 3. At the third part, that total number will be represent. What is the third part here? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Here keep a star point. Keep a star point. That star point, that position is known as 17 by 7 or 2 of 3 by 7. This is the value of this number. That number can be represented here, it seems very clear. And let us see negative number. Simple. Minus of 3 by 8. The number will be after minus 1. After minus 1, next what is the next number? Minus 2. That means I have to take equivalent. This is minus 1. this is minus 2. Okay na? Minus 1 after number will be divided into 8 equal parts. For suppose this is minus 1, this is minus 2. In middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 millimeters are there. This total value will be divided into 8 equal parts. Means you can guess it. How many lines are there? Maximum 10 will be there. We can convert it into 1.25, 1.5, 2.5 like that. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. What is the numerator value here? 3. Where is 3? 1, 2, 3. Here third part. Here that number will be represented on left side of a number line. This number is called minus 1 of 3 by 8. Minus 1 of 3 by 8. You can guess it and you can guess it. Minus of 1 of 3 by 8 is nothing but after minus 1 it can be represented at the position of minus 1.25 like that. Here minus 1.2 here. Minus 1.1, 1.2 like that. Here what is the number? 17 by 7. 17 by 7 nothing but 2 of 3 by 7. After 2 third part it can be divided. Now 2 of 1 by 2 after 2 it is middle part, at one part only it will be represented. So 2 of 1 by 2, 2 of 3 by 7, minus 1 of 3 by 8, all are the numbers will be located like this only. Let us see one more good question. For example, minus 8 by 3 will be there. Right? The value of this is simple. 2 of 2 by 3. 3 2 the 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3. A negative sign will be there. The number will be definitely left side only. It will be represented. For example, minus 2 after 2 by 3. Minus 2 after what is the number is there? Minus 3. Take the equal length by using scale. Minus 3. Between these two numbers only this number will be represented. Between minus 2 and minus 3 only this number will be represented. Now let us see last example dear friend about this number line. Minus 2 after these between this length divide into 3 equal parts. Minus 2 to minus 3 how many will be there? 10 mm are there. 10 mm is divided into 3 equal parts means 3.3, 3.3, 3.3 nothing but 10 will be over. So like that here I am going to do here. For example, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can take some large size also, you can use it in a number line by taking the scale, then it can be easy to understand. Here 3 parts. Here what is the denominator? 3 parts. It can be divided 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 3.3, 3.3, 3.3. Divided into this minus 2 to minus 3 that length, this fixed length, unit length can be divided into 3 parts. Then we have to locate the position. Where is the position here? At 2. At 2 means here 1, here 2. Second part. Here only. Here only. By using by according the numerator value we can represent it. Here 2. Here 2 only. 1, 2. This value is called minus 2 of 2 by 3. This is the way we have to locate the irrational number, locate the rational numbers. We have to locate the rational number on a number line by using this systematic way. What I have done, you see, I have to recall one question, just simple one question. For example, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is a proper fraction. We have to represent it means we should convert it into mixed fraction. The value is 2 of 1 by 2. We are guessing it 2 of 1 by 2 is 2 of the number will be represented right side of the value, right 0, right side of the 0, between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3, this number will be represented. But what is the 1 by 2? Means the denominator, how many parts, how many value is there here? What is the value in denominator is having? 2. This total value will be divided into 2 equal parts. Then according to numerator value, we should represent it. 2 to 3. How many lines will be there? 10 lines will be there. We can divide this 10 lines 2 equal parts. The first part we can put a star point. That is our answer, 2 of 1 by 2. In second example, 2 to 3 we can divide into 7 parts. At third part only I have to keep the star point. That is our answer. In third example, minus 1 to minus 2 we can divide into this total 10 millimeter values 8 equal parts. Then we can keep the location at 3 only. This is the way we have to solve the representation of rational number and a number line in easiest manner without any tension. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, very easy to represent, but this kind of fraction, rational number will be there. Somewhat you have to do concentrate. Now your question will be represent 19 by 4 on a number line. This is your question, dear friends. You solve this question and get the good knowledge about number line. And till then, practice well. And in our next video, I am going to explain about equivalent rational numbers and mean method also. Very useful method. It can be useful both classes, 9th and 10th classes also, my dear friends. You have to share these kind of videos to your friends WhatsApp group also, because they can come to understand. Now a pandemic situation, they are missing all the things. You can share it. It can be benefit for them. It can be also useful for you. I hope that knowledge is well. Knowledge is divine. Thank you very much.